been 1 week, 7 days under lockdown. What you doing, Aiden?
We have to go this way.
Will that give us shade though? Today is Sunday and we would normally be at the farmer's market selling our stuff and seeing everybody and having fun. So today's been a little bit harder for me because it has really changed our schedule and I miss a lot of people. So it's been hard for me to want to do much of anything. So I've just been kind of laying in bed all day. But Aiden's kind of getting antsy too. He's used to getting out and being with people. So we decided to fill up the baby pool. He's having fun with it. We gotta get his clothes off it. He's playing with it. And so the news is, I think there was one death of one of the tourists who had been brought here and found to have the virus. But otherwise, things are pretty much the same. I think there's like a few more tourist cases. And it's just weird. I think people are starting to get used to not really doing anything or kind of living in this strange new world. It's kind of a slightly lower day, you know, not seeing friends, not making any money. The news at the larger level is we might be affected financially by it in Colorado too. So that doesn't ever make you very happy. So I'm just trying to kind of appreciate being outside, that we are healthy, that everybody's, you know, doing good. I mean, from the surface, this is all very abstract because in reality, you know, when you actually get outside of your brain, everything's fine. So it's a beautiful day. You can hear people mowing and doing stuff, but when you think about it, it's like the whole world has stopped. With the hurricane, it was more concrete. You could actually see trees fallen and all the leaves gone, but with this, it's totally abstract.
Good job, Edie.
Oh, what'd you find? A liquor bottle from the 1940s?
Yeah.
Oh! We have a lot of stray cats that wander around out here. Black one, this little gray one, Tabby. Hola! Today's the 8th day of lockdown and we're here at the farm, and today is also Monday, Emancipation Day in Puerto Rico. So this is usually a holiday where we celebrate our freedom from slavery. So there is a little bit of irony in being locked in your house today. And I just want to remind everybody that if you're feeling stuck in your house, if you're feeling that this is unfair, if you're feeling trapped and confined, those are natural feelings. We are not used to having this amount of freedom being taken away from us. So don't think that you're strange to feel that. A lot of people are feeling it. We are attempting to do something for the betterment of society, but it is taking a toll on people. And so just remember that you are allowed to have those feelings. People have fought hard to get the kinds of freedoms that we have now given up. Anyway, we've been working out here on the farm and getting some mowing done. The chickens are out.
The chickens are free.
It's kind of a cloudy day, so it's nice and cool. A good day to be outside working. Overall, it's when we remove ourselves from thinking about this all the time, we realize that we're okay. We'll get through it. We are resilient humans who've been put through many tests, and this is just another one. So stay strong. That's the main thing. This is difficult, but we're getting through it. So good job. First time this avocado tree has flowered. Excited to see it fruit. Alright, this is dinner. What do you see, Aiden?
He's hungry. Making with sesame oil. Toasted sesame seeds.
Alright, so for dinner tonight we're gonna make this Thai food. It's basically rice noodles with like a peanut sauce, which comes with it, so it makes it super easy. And then we just chopped up some carrots and celery and are sauteing them in sesame oil, as well as chopping up some garlic. So the nice thing about garlic is that you should eat a lot of it right now. It's super good for you, and it's antibacterial, antiviral, so it's really good. Something really nice about Puerto Rican food is that it has it's heavy in garlic too, so all the sofrito and things like that. So keep making that kind of food. Garlic is especially good when it's raw. When you cook it, it loses a little bit of that benefit, but it's still pretty good for you. So keep eating garlic and staying healthy. I know for me, I don't have much of an appetite lately, but we're trying to eat as healthy as we can when we do. Buen provecho! This is the meal cooking. The rice noodles, scrambled egg, carrots, celery, garlic, the peanut sauce on top.